Okay, so in the last video, some people said, why not empty it right from the carburetor? Well, that's a really good point. The carburetor is the last point for the gas to sit, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. I've already drained the gas by way of the fuel line. And we have the gas lever on. Everything should be drained except for the little bit that's in here. And this is a 10 millimeter. And I simply put a catch here. We'll just open it up. And unscrew it. And it should drain a couple of tablespoons. And that's it. That's how you drain the carburetor. Lynne with MI Tinker. Thanks for watching.